Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to discuss our question paper which you have been given for the first test. So let us see the questions which were there in the question paper. The first question was hydrogen is diatomic, and what do you understand by this? You have to explain why do you think hydrogen is diatomic, or what do you mean by hydrogen is diatomic. See, atomicity means what? Atomicity is number of atoms present in one molecule of an element. So your answer should be hydrogen is diatomic because it has 2 atoms in its one molecule. So diatomic nature means one molecule contains 2 atoms. Now the next question was mention 2 similarities between hydrogen and alkali metals. So I'm going to discuss certain similarities between hydrogen and alkali metals. If you have written any 2 of these, your answer will be correct. So let us see the first similarity. The first similarity is on the basis of, you can say, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration, if we see of hydrogen, you have 1 electron in hydrogen and atomic number is 1, and it has 1 shell which contains 1 electron. And if you see the electronic configuration of alkali metals like lithium having atomic number 3, it is having electronic configuration 2,1. Sodium having atomic number 11, its electronic configuration is 281. So like this, you can say the electronic configuration is similar. The last shell electrons are similar. Both hydrogen and alkali metals will have 1 electron in the last shell. Now the second similarity you can give on the basis of valency. Both hydrogen will lose 1 electron, form 1 positive ion, its valency is 1, and alkali metals like lithium will lose 1 electron, form positive ion, Li1 plus, valency is 1. So both of them, hydrogen and alkali metals, will have valency 1. And similarly, third similarity on the basis of the same thing, you will say that both of them form positively charged ions. On the basis of type of ions they form, positively charged ions they form, and valency is 1. Now next similarity, you can say that hydrogen and alkali metals both have both of them combine with the non-metals, like hydrogen combines with non-metal sulfur to form hydrogen sulfide, with chlorine to form HCl, and non-metal oxygen to form H2O. Similarly, alkali metals also combine with these elements and form Na2S, NaCl, and Na2O. So combination with non-metals sulfur, chlorine and oxygen, similar type of elements are shown. So these are the similarities on the basis of which you can give the answer of this question, that is similarities between hydrogen and alkali. One more similarity you can mention, like you can say that hydrogen and alkali metals both are good reducing agents. Like suppose we write down reducing property, reducing agents. So reducing property of hydrogen, by this reaction you can show copper oxide plus hydrogen will give copper plus hydrogen, copper plus water. So here hydrogen is acting as a reducing agent, and copper oxide can also react with sodium to form Na2O plus copper. So in both the cases, here hydrogen is acting as a reducing agent, and here sodium metal is acting as a reducing agent. So these are the properties which you can mention, that Both hydrogen and alkali metals have similarity in these properties. Now the third question is the differentiation between oxidizing and reducing agents. That I'll be posting a video just after this, in which you can see the differences between oxidizing and reducing agents.